Hunting in 2025 isn't just about firepower, it's about comfort, accuracy, and control, especially for seasoned hunters who want to keep chasing the thrill without punishing their shoulders. If you're a senior hunter, you know that heavy recoil can turn a perfect day in the field into a painful one. That's why we've handpicked the 5 best hunting rifles for seniors models that deliver low recoil, high impact, and unmatched precision. Whether you're after deer, elk, or varmints, these rifles prove you don't need to sacrifice stopping power for comfort. Stick around because rifle number 1 is a game changer you'll wish you bought years ago. So let's jump right in the video. Number 5. Tikka T3X Ace Game. The Tikka T3X Ace Game is a versatile bolt-action rifle designed for hunters who value precision and customization. Its modular chassis allows adjustments for length of pull and cheek rest, making it comfortable for seniors with varying body types. Chambered in calibers like 6.5 Creedmoor, it delivers high impact with manageable recoil, ideal for deer or elk. The medium contour barrel reduces weight, making it easier to carry, while the smooth Tikka action ensures reliable cycling. The rifle's AR-compatible pistol grip adds familiarity for some users. It's praised for its accuracy, often sub-MOA, and the fluted barrel helps with heat dissipation during range sessions. However, its weight, around 8.8–9.3 pounds, may feel heavy for long treks, and the higher price point of about $1,149 can be a stretch for budget-conscious hunters. The chassis design, while adjustable, might feel bulky for smaller seniors, and the synthetic stock may lack the premium feel of wood. Some users note the trigger, though good, isn't as crisp as competitors in this price range. Maintenance is straightforward, but the rifle's complexity might require more care than simpler models. Overall, the Tikka T3X Ace Game is a solid choice for seniors seeking a customizable, accurate rifle for medium to long-range hunting. But its weight and cost are factors to consider. Pros: adjustable chassis, excellent accuracy, low recoil in 6.5 Creedmoor, smooth action, versatile calibers. Cons: heavy at 8.8–9.3 pounds, expensive at $117.49, bulky chassis, trigger could be crisper, requires careful maintenance. Number 4. Ruger American Generation 2. The Ruger American Generation 2 is a budget-friendly bolt-action rifle, priced around $600 that doesn't skimp on performance. Available in low-recoil calibers like 6.5 Creedmoor and .308 Win, it offers high impact for deer or hogs while keeping kick minimal, perfect for seniors. Its Cerakote finish adds durability, and the spiral fluted barrel reduces weight to about 6.5 pounds, making it easy to carry. The adjustable stock fits different body sizes, and the 3-position safety is user-friendly. The rifle's accuracy is impressive, often achieving 1-inch groups at 100 yards, and the Picatinny rail simplifies optic mounting. However, the synthetic stock feels basic and may not absorb recoil as well as pricier models. Some seniors might find the bolt action slightly stiff compared to high-end rifles like the Tikka. The trigger, while adjustable, can feel heavy out of the box, requiring tweaks for optimal performance. The blued steel version is less durable in wet conditions compared to Cerakoted models. For seniors on a budget, the Ruger American Gen 2 offers reliable performance and low recoil, but those seeking a premium feel might look elsewhere. Its simplicity and affordability make it a great entry-level choice for hunting. Pros: affordable at $600, lightweight at 6.5 pounds, accurate, durable Cerakote, adjustable stock. Cons: basic stock, slightly stiff bolt, trigger needs adjustment, blued steel less durable, less premium feel. Number 3. Henry Big Boy X Model. The Henry Big Boy X Model is a lever-action rifle that combines classic style with modern features, ideal for seniors who prefer a traditional look with low recoil. Chambered in .357 Magnum or .44 Magnum, it delivers high impact for close-range game like deer or hogs, with recoil that's gentler than many bolt actions. Weighing around 7.3 pounds, it's manageable for most seniors, and the synthetic stock with M-LOK slots allows accessory attachments like lights for evening hunts. The fiber optic sights are senior-friendly, aiding visibility, and the smooth lever action is easy on arthritic hands. Its 17.4-inch barrel keeps it compact for tight woods. However, the lever action can be slower to cycle than bolt actions, which might frustrate some hunters. The magazine tube holds only 7 rounds, limiting capacity, and reloading is slower than detachable magazines. At around $1,000, it's pricier than some budget rifles, and the synthetic stock may feel less refined. Recoil in .44 Magnum can be noticeable for smaller seniors. The Henry Big Boy X model shines for those who value tradition and ease of use, but it's best for shorter range hunts. Pros: smooth lever action, low recoil in 3x57 Magnum, compact senior-friendly sights, durable design. Cons: slower cycling, limited 7-round capacity, pricier at $1,000. Recoil in .44 Magnum, basic stock. Number 2. CVA Scout Takedown. The CVA Scout Takedown is a single-shot break-action rifle that emphasizes simplicity and portability, priced around $495. Its stainless steel, fluted barrel, and radial muzzle brake reduce recoil, making it ideal for seniors using calibers like .350 Legend or .450 Bushmaster for deer or hogs. Weighing about 6 pounds, it's one of the lightest options, and the takedown feature allows easy transport or storage. The interchangeable comb riser and length of pull spacer ensure a custom fit, while the Picatinny rail supports optics for aging eyes. Its single-shot design encourages precise shooting, and the crisp trigger aids accuracy. However, the single-shot nature limits follow-up shots, which could be a drawback in fast-paced hunts. The synthetic stock, while durable, feels utilitarian, and the takedown mechanism may loosen over time if not maintained. Some seniors might find the brake action stiff to open, especially with arthritis. The CVA Scout Takedown is perfect for seniors who value simplicity and low recoil in a lightweight package, but it's not suited for scenarios requiring quick second shots. Pros: lightweight at 6 pounds, low recoil, affordable at $495, customizable fit, easy to transport. Cons: single-shot limits follow-ups, basic stock, stiff action, takedown may loosen, limited for fast hunts. Number 1. Mossberg Patriot Carbine. The Mossberg Patriot Carbine tops our list for its suppressor-ready design and senior-friendly features, priced at just $550 years. With short barrels, 16-25-18 inches, and calibers like 6.5 Creedmoor or 350 Legend, it delivers high impact with low recoil, ideal for deer or smaller game. The medium bull barrel and spiral-fluted bolt enhance accuracy, often sub-MOA, while the synthetic stock keeps weight at about 6.5 pounds. The adjustable LBA trigger is crisp, and the Picatinny rail supports optics for precise aiming. The threaded barrel accommodates suppressors, further reducing recoil and noise, a boon for seniors with sensitive hearing. Its compact size is perfect for tree stands or blinds. However, the shorter barrel slightly reduces velocity compared to longer rifles, potentially affecting long-range performance. The synthetic stock feels basic, and some users report the bolt can be sticky initially. Durability in wet conditions is decent, but not as robust as Cerakoted rifles. For seniors seeking an affordable, low-recoil, and accurate rifle, the Mossberg Patriot Carbine is a top choice for 2025 hunting. Pros: affordable at $515, low recoil, suppressor-ready, lightweight at 6.5 pounds, accurate. Cons: shorter barrel reduces velocity, basic stock, sticky bolt initially, average wet weather durability, limited long range. Thanks for watching our guide on the 5 best hunting rifles for seniors in 2025. We hope our breakdown of these low recoil, high impact rifles helps you find the perfect fit for your next hunt. Whether you're after deer or hogs, these rifles offer comfort and accuracy for senior hunters. Share your favorite rifle or hunting tips in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Always follow local laws and practice safe handling. For more hunting gear reviews and tips, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Happy hunting, and we'll see you in the next video.